TLDR artificial grass has become a controversial trend in landscape design, with some designers and celebrities embracing the low-maintenance option, while others argue it's harmful to the environment and looks unnatural. The debate continues as urban environments increasingly turn to synthetic turf solutions. Body is America embracing the faux green revolution, artificial grass, which has its origins in the mid-1960s athletic stadiums that popularized AstroTurf, is now a hot topic in landscape design circles. Celebrities like model and cookbook author Chrissy Teigen have shared their excitement for synthetic lawns on social media, sparking a polarizing discussion among their followers and the wider community. Teigen's Instagram post celebrating her new artificial grass installation received mixed reactions, with some users criticizing the environmental impact of covering the earth in more plastic. Others, however, praised the product as life-changing. So, is artificial grass chic or problematic? David Godshall, principal and co-founder of AD100 landscape studio Terremoto, is not a fan, citing environmental concerns and the unnatural appearance of artificial grass. Meanwhile, Fern Du Wong, of the Florida-based Fern Du Wong Outdoor Living Design, considers synthetic turf chic and an excellent solution for achieving a high-end look with low maintenance. Stephen Ike, partner and director of Hollander Design Landscape Architects Urban Studio, sees faux lawns as a viable solution in urban environments with limitations, such as light levels or weight constraints. Traditional lawns require a significant amount of care, and synthetic lawns offer a lower maintenance alternative. However, pricing for artificial grass varies significantly, depending on the location and complexity of the project. Rob Dant, Senior Director of Sales for Sinlawn, the largest manufacturer of artificial grass worldwide, explains that the cost can range from $6 per square foot in Arizona to $30 per square foot for a New York rooftop installation. On average, projects stay in the ground for a 15-year lifespan. As the debate around synthetic lawns continues, it raises questions about the balance between aesthetics, convenience, and environmental responsibility. Are artificial grass installations worth the reduced maintenance, or do their environmental drawbacks outweigh the benefits? Can landscape designers find more sustainable solutions that still meet their clients' needs?